this here, we are trying to find the the derivative of this particular function, y is equal to, let me zoom in a little bit, so that becomes y is equal to 2 10 minus by x to the power of 3. Okay, so we're trying to find the derivative of it, dy dx. Okay, so you might have seen an easier function. Hopefully you can see that it kind of looks like just 2x to the 3, but instead of there being an x there, we've got some stuff in the middle. Okay, so let's make this question easier, simpler to begin with, and let's just try and differentiate just this value here first. Okay, so anything that is a constant is moved out to the front, so nothing really happens to it, so it becomes 2, and that value of 3 multiplies down the bottom, and we just take the 1 from the top, and our final result is 6x to the power of 2. Okay, so we're going to put that on the outside here. So really when we write it, it becomes that 6 and then x to the power of 2. But instead of writing an x, I'm going to put the 10 minus x in there. Now, the chain rule. The chain rule says that we have the outside bit, so dy dx is equal to that outside bit, dy, and then they might give you this value, this u thing. All right, that really means this bit here. Okay, and then the next bit, du dx, is about the insides. Okay, so let us differentiate the insides here. Okay, so essentially what they're saying is you can substitute, so say let u is equal to 10 minus x, and then when you differentiate dy du, so you get that 6u to the power of 2, and then if you differentiate du dx, then you get minus x 1 minus 1, which is just equal to minus 1. Okay, and that becomes this next bit here. All right, that minus 1 bit, you've seen that there, you've seen that there. We can substitute it in. And so the final result is going to be times by minus 1. So let me write it out all from the beginning. This is actually a easier question, so you don't need to do too much working out for it. Really, all you need to say is dy dx is equal to, all right, you've got your 2 out the front. Remember that 3 comes down. The guts of it always stays the same. You never go into the force field. And you times by minus 1. And that becomes minus 6, 10, x to the power of 2. Hopefully that helps. If you have any questions, let me know.